Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you are on Binance, you want to go ahead and withdraw. So you want to go to Wallets, Withdraw option, and Withdraw. And from here, you're going to choose USDT and send via crypto network. After that, you will need to go ahead and choose a network from these ones. So as you can see, there's almost all of them. And after you will choose a network, you're gonna enter the address. So the address, we're gonna go to Trust Wallet. And from here, I'm just gonna choose USDT. So let's maybe go ahead and click Receive option. And let's search for USDT. Now, you will have all of these options to transfer USDT. So you want to go ahead and choose the one which maybe has the lowest fee. I'm just going to go ahead and choose BNB Smart Chain because it will be at least not that much of a fee. Now here you will see the address which you want to go ahead and copy and paste it to your Binance. So on Binance, go ahead and choose BNB Smart Chain and here enter the address. From there, you're going to go ahead, enter the amount you want to withdraw and click withdraw. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.